Okay, so in this video we're going to go over just getting the license set up on GeoTracker. This one's pretty easy, so we're going to open up GeoTracker Pro, and of course we're going to get that message again with the settings file saying that it's in read-only mode, can't make a backup, and then we get eventually that your license is not valid or your system time is not correct. Now that first couple of error messages you may or may not get, that's not really the point of this video, but when you get this one right here with your license is not valid, that's where we need to make sure that the license is put in here. So if we hit OK. Now this could come up also if your license has expired. If that's the case, you need to contact ADAPCO so that ADAPCO can upgrade or update your license information for your software. But if it's simply not in there, well, you'll see that here in a second. So if we go into licensing and we go to change user ID, obviously this is not a license, none and none, and that's why we're getting that error message. So we have it's kind of like a CD key. You have your client name, which in our case is just simply ADAPCO, but yours will be whomever you are. And then we have a client GUID, G-U-I-D. That's kind of like your CD key itself. So I'm going to put that in here, and then I'm going to hit OK. And once I hit OK, now we should get a map. And there we go. So that is how you set up your license. Thanks for watching.